Meet Bob, a business owner. Bob wants to grow his business through word-of-mouth marketing. But first, Bob needs to find out what his customers really think about his business. Will they recommend his business to their friends? Will they follow his business? Bob needs a system to help him collect feedback effectively and regularly, so that Bob may monitor his business operations and identify weak areas for improvement. Bob thought about using survey forms, but that may not be a good idea. In general, survey forms have low response ratio. Data collected must be manually processed, and reports are not available real-time. Survey forms are just not cool, and there's a better way.
Introducing Tableau, a survey and word-of-mouth marketing application with a unique user interface. Each survey question is presented on one full page, not 10 questions on one page like other survey apps. As Tableau is a web application, you can use and access it on multiple devices without any need to installation. Once your customers completed a survey, you will know instantly if they have recommended your business to their friends on Facebook. You will also know if your customers care enough to follow updates and promotions of your business. There are basically two ways to use Tableau, the passive or the active way. Let's start with the passive way. Tableau may be used at any checkout counters. Tableau is a great call to action tool and will help you collect a lot of feedback easily without requiring you to ask your customers. As for the active way, it gives you opportunities to engage your customers meaningfully. Let's see it in action. When customers ask for their bill, make them smile by offering to help them take a memorable picture, and ask for a review using Tableau. This on-the-spot survey method guarantees you a higher response ratio compared to sending out a survey request by email. Your customers may also recommend your business, sharing their review and picture on Facebook in the process. Your business also gets promoted when your customers interact with their friends, saving you the need to engage with new customers directly. Tableau also invites your customers to follow your business. This helps you build up a customer contact list easily. Bob has around 100 customers every day. If 30% of his customers recommend his business on Facebook, that may mean up to 20% increase in business daily. For Bob, that's an additional $500 profit every day, or $15,000 every month. Sign up for a free plan today and discover the easy way to grow your business through word-of-mouth marketing with Tableau.